We have a critical update in respect of GST credit notes wide circular number 212 of 2024. Certain representations have been received by the CBIC from the field formations that there is no current mechanism to examine whether the recipient of supply has reversed the input tax credit in respect of a GST credit note issued by the supplier. Now, Section 15 of the CGST Act states that the taxable value of supply does not include a discount given by the supplier if certain conditions are satisfied. One of the condition is that the recipient has to reverse the input tax credit availed by him proportionate to the GST credit note. Now, there is no current system for verification by the supplier or the GST department whether the recipient has reversed this input tax credit. So, until such mechanism is introduced in the GST website, they have requested for an alternative mechanism for verification, whereby CBIC has directed the supplier has to obtain a certificate from a chartered accountant or cost accountant certifying that the proportionate input tax credit has been reversed by the recipient on issue of GST credit note by the supplier. Now, this certificate should contain the details regarding the credit note, the invoice against which the credit note has been issued, the amount of ITC reversed by the recipient, and also the mode in which the reversal has been made or payment has been made, whether through return or DRC 03, etc. Now, the certificate issued by the CA or CMA should contain the UDIN, unique documentation identification number, which can be verified from the respective websites. But if the amount of discount does not exceed 5 lakhs in a year, then instead of getting a CA or a CMA certificate, the supplier can obtain a undertaking from the recipient that he has reversed the proportionate input tax credit, and the details to be mentioned in the undertaking is same as that the CA or CMA would mention in his certificate. Now, this certificate or statement from the recipient will act as an evidence that the provisions of section 15 have been complied with, and this certificate or statement ought to be submitted during the scrutiny, audit or investigation on the supplier. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.